Water flows through a commercial steel pipe with a diameter of 200 millimeters and a length of 600 meter. The discharge is 0.05 cubic meter per second and the friction factor is assumed to be 0.02. Using the Darcy-Weisbach equation, determine the head loss due to friction in the pipe. So, ang formula general sa Darcy-Weisbach equation, head loss in pipes is V squared over 2G, FL over D. After the direct substitution lang pa, no? But if you come up with this value, so G is 9.81, ang V is galing dito, Q is equals to area times velocity. Area is pi over 4 diameter squared. Ganun po yung mangyayari. So, with that, ang V natin, hindi ko na ipapakita yung total, talaga, derivation, pero ito yung nangyari. Kung iplanggihin mo yan dito, with constant pi over 4 squared, then G na 9.81, the formula becomes is 0.0826 FL Q squared over diameter is mine. So, friction factor, nasa liban lahat, 0.02. Length ng pipe is 600. Okay? Ang discharge is 0.05. Malingat lang ko sa unit ha. Dapat naka-meters and cubic meters per second. Then, diameter, 0.2 millimeter. Gawin mo sang meter. 0.2 meter raised to 5. With that, the head loss in the pipe is 7.44 or 7.75.